Hello everybody, this is SQX and welcome to an unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while, but as you can see I got a new phone in here that I wanted to unbox because I am switching from Apple iPhone to Samsung because I'm tired of the lack of customization and you get bored of using the same devices and over and I want to mix things up. Yeah, this is a Galaxy Z Flip 5. Because I thought it would be a really nice phone to get, and it's about the same, pretty much the same price as the phone I'm paying off now. As you can see, we got through AT&T, and this is the 256 gigabyte version. Um, Made in Vietnam. Date was September 13th, so still pretty new. Um, First thing I need to do is find a knife. There we go. So since we're with AT&T, I use the upgrade feature that costs like $6 a month, and then you pay however much it is to upgrade, depending on how far your payments are and what device it is. But since mine's the 14 Pro iPhone, it was pretty pricey. It was like 160 something or almost $200 just to fucking upgrade. So they better fucking help with payments, 'cause that's fucking insane. They have to pay to upgrade, and then even though you're paying for the upgrade next a month, because it's an additional $6 just to have that. All right, so here goes our first unboxing of this phone. I'm excited. I've been waiting like 4 or 5 days because they were like 2 days late on the delivery. So here's the box, of course. It's made of some pretty good material, nice and solid. And then there's the actual phone, of course. And then here's our other stuff. Probably SIM cards. Yeah, SIM card. And some ejection tool and stuff like that. Let's see if there's anything. Here's our charger cord, which I do have a brick. Thank God I have a brick for that. And then here's our SIM ejection tool with our SIM card. Which I obviously don't want to show you guys that. Limited cloud storage for your memories and more. No, thank you. Terms and conditions, which don't really need. But yeah, this is pretty good material here. Not good as Apple's, of course, but still good. Here's our SIM ejection tool, which don't really need. Put this stuff away. No, that's where the SIM card was. I don't even know. That's why you pay attention to that when you unbox stuff. Alright, here's our actual phone. Yes, I know it sucks that you don't get charging brick or anything else. That's really nice, but look at this. So much nicer feeling. It's so much lighter than the iPhone. So let's put this phone right here. Put this junk back in the box here. If I can put it on here correctly. Fuck. Oh my gosh. How the fuck did they put this in here? I don't even seem to be fitting right. Okay. Something like that. I don't know. Some ejection. There you go. That's pretty much all we need. Charger brick, phone. Just facing this way. SIM card, ejection tool, everything that we need. Alright, so here's the phone, as you can see, all wrapped up in this nice, I don't know how to describe this, like a cardboard wrapping paper kind of feel. There's the side of the phone that you can see. There's the cameras, which I don't know why people are complaining about the cameras, because cameras are still pretty good in my opinion. I mean, they obviously aren't going to be as good as iPhone or the latest Samsung S23, but still good though. Still good. So we just lift this tab here, and I'm gonna be quiet so you can hear it. There we go. Here is our phone. Look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. And there's, I think that's an antenna band. And then there's our power button, volume up and down. And here goes our first fold, just to see what it's like. See, it's a very solid, and I really love this design. It's so good. So compact too. I love it. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. This is for the IMEI. Hopefully you guys didn't see that. Just peel that off. Because we don't need that on there. Because I already know how to access it pretty easy. The only thing is the fingerprints. It's the only thing. But you can tell this is really solid. Really solid. I mean, it's a little bit of wobble, but it's going to have that because it needs that to help protect the hinge and the screen. Because if it doesn't have at least a little bit, that's good. Damn, and see, people overreact with this crease here. I mean, visually, it's obviously you can see it when the phone's off, but feeling it, oh, you can see me. Hello. But feeling it is another level. Like, it does not, you can barely feel the dip. And I doubt I'm gonna feel the dip anyway, because my hand is gonna be down here most of the time. Let's go ahead and turn this sucker on. If it's not dead, I think it might be dead. Nope, there it goes. Look at that display. Of course, is gorgeous because of course it's Samsung. I mean, AT&T, best service around. Well, Verizon I think is better, but oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Just look at that. It's at 42%, so not that bad. Beautiful. Start. Agree to all, of course. And then we can set up our new phone, which I'm gonna be doing here soon. I might take a minute, but that's pretty much the unboxing. I mean, that's pretty much all you gotta do. As you can see, when you close it, it turns off the display. As soon as it comes about right here is when the display turns off. Like you can, alright, I'll try and show you. So you see that's on, and then about right there is when it closes. So when you close all the way, it closes right here is when it turns the display off, the main display. So you know that it'll turn off, of course. But this is so nice just to be able to do this. It's so nice to be able to do that finally. It's so cool. iPhone, of course. I guess put on our Wi-Fi connection and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Absolutely gorgeous phone. I'll have to take one more look. It's so beautiful. Samsung. But yeah, and here's the outer display, which we're yet to see, obviously. I do kind of wish they had it where it comes down here like the Razr, Motorola's Razr, but I prefer Samsung over Motorola. What does this say? Oh, they have it. See, I don't like that. They got that IMEI right here, which I don't know why they imprinted it in the back like that. That's not really secure, I think. But yeah, gorgeous phone. Feels great. Hinge is tight and solid, of course, like always. And the bump's not that bad. The crease, at least. Well, my phone's about to die, which is what I'm using for the camera. I'm using my iPhone that I'm about to send back over to Samsung, or send back over to AT&T. But yep. That was the unboxing. Let me flip that over here. Now you can actually see. And yeah, that's basically it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing of Galaxy Z Flip 5. It's a very beautiful phone, and I'm excited to use it. Have a great day. I'll probably leave a review of from switching the iPhone to Android. So get ready for that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.